Dusty, bagong ligong Dusty, guys. Take a look at our cute cat. Just took a bath, really clean now. O, diba, Dusty? Do you feel good? You feel good? You feel good? Oh, say hi to the vlog. Hello, humans. Ay, cute-cute mo talaga. Hello everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for today's vlog, I have a pretty good Adidas haul for you all. We have 3 sneakers, and the flagship, the main shoe that I will be unboxing is the brand new Adidas Ultraboost 21. Super excited. I'm a big fan of the Ultraboost. I've been wearing it a lot, and I am so stoked to see what is the latest generation, the latest version. So if you're excited, keep on watching. Let's go. By the way, before we jump into it, if you guys appreciate the content on the channel, please do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below which of the 3 shoes that I'm about to unbox you like the most. Okay, I will save the Ultraboost for last because that is like our main dish. That is like the very best. But I will go through 2 new pickups first. The first shoe is a sneaker that I got for almost close to retail, which is this brand new, well, not brand new, this is a second hand, but not beat up Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. So I decided to pick this one up because the previous Wave Runner that I had was size 12 and it was too small, and I really wanted like a bigger size. So this is size 13, which is perfect for my wide flat feet. And I am really thinking of passing on the 700 Sun, but who knows? If I can get it for retail, I'll probably just review it on the channel, and if I don't like it, I'll sell it on the steel cabinet. But anyway, so if we pop the box open, bam! So here we have it. This is the OG Yeezy 700 Wave Runner, and if you take a look at the shoe, it's pretty, you know, for close to retail price for a second-hand pair. It's still in very good condition. I see some, obviously, you have some scuff marks on the midsole. The dirt on the outsole has been cleaned out, which is a nice gesture by the previous owner. But everything else, from the suede to the leather to the other patches of the materials at the top, I think this is a very good buy. So shout out again for YOLO Manila for the hookup. I did the video on YOLO Manila on their shop over at Makati. Check it out. I will link it somewhere up here or down there, just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. By the way, speaking of the 700, if you guys could pick one, just one, would you get the 700 Wave Runner, this one, or would you get the new 700 Sun? Let me know in the comment section. OG versus Sun, hit the comment. Now this next sneaker I got from the Adidas shop over at Greenbelt 5. So before we get into the shoe, let me just share that they have almost the entire Pharrell Williams human-made collection over there. From all the brand new Superstar Prime knits to the... I'm not sure what the sneaker is called. It looks like a high basketball shoe that Pharrell and Nigo collaborated on. The brown one just looks incredibly awesome. I kind of feel sad that they didn't have it in my size, because if they had that brown-white pair in my size, I would have totally copped that one. There was also like a blue version. Again, I'm sorry guys, I forgot the actual name. But those 2 mid/high cut sneakers looked really dope, really nice. And I might try to get the brown one in the next few days. Apart from that, there was like a sneaker that had like a cat tail on it. Apparently it was part of their November Halloween pack. And yeah, so if you guys are in the area, check out Adidas over at Greenbelt 5. And they also mentioned to me that they still had a couple of pairs of the Yekorite, the Yeezy 380, but it's not on display, so you will have to ask the cashier for it, what sizes are available. Anyway, so this is the Pharrell Williams human-made Superstar PK. So prime knit Superstar. So this comes in multiple colors. There was a violet one, a green one, a brown one, a bright yellow one. This one is like the cream/off-white color. Okay, let me correct myself. The Superstar, this one is not a collaboration with Nigo. This is purely Pharrell Williams. The collaboration with Nigo are the boots that I just mentioned earlier. I just realized it upon looking at the shoe. Where is the human-made logo? Where is the heart? Where is the... It's apparently this is purely Pharrell. So yeah, this is in some sort of like cream off-white color. It does have prime knit for the upper instead of the typical leather, which makes it incredibly comfortable for the top part of the shoe. However, please do take note, for all the wide footers out there, this sneaker is not for you. I tried it. I regret buying it. For me, it's kind of a waste of like 7,500 retail. So this one will definitely be going to the steel cabinet. So if you guys want one, I'll set it below retail. Size 12 over at the steel cabinet in Green Hills. Watch out for it. And now we get to the main event. I am super excited, but please do take note, this is just an unboxing. We will be doing an actual on-feet and on-feet review in another episode. Guys, this is it. This is the brand new Adidas Ultraboost 21. Wow! Super excited, super excited. I've actually stayed clear of watching any of the other reviews of other shoe tubers or sneaker YouTubers because I wanted to like give you guys my personal opinion. This is not sponsored by Adidas. I bought this with my own money via the Adidas Philippines website, and I'm just fortunate that it actually arrived in just a couple of days. Usually they are super delayed, but yeah, it comes in this special Adidas Ultraboost box. This is the e-commerce exclusive, so you can only buy this online. This will not be available in actual physical stores. So you have the details of the sneaker, how they changed the outsole here at the front of the box. They even like shared the science behind how they constructed the shoe at the back. Obviously, just from the looks of it, they are gearing this more towards performance running than casual wear. My thinking is the DNA line, which pretty much encompasses like the Ultraboost OG 1 to 4th or to 5, will be the casual Ultraboosts, while the 21 onwards will be more for performance. So, take a look at that thick AF boost. Boom, bam, grabe, crazy. OMG, guys, take a look at that. So this is the brand new Adidas Ultraboost 21, man. Whew. And I'm super happy that I was able to get it in the color that I wanted, which is like triple white. So let's go over it. Now, the first main difference is really the midsole. So the midsole apparently has like 6% more boost, but it looks thicker than it actually is, because just by putting my hand inside, you can actually gauge that the boost over here isn't fully below your feet. So the boost that you see over here along the sides are actually, I don't know, like pillowing or cupping your heel. So it's not necessarily all of your weight on the boost, which probably can be a good thing because it prevents your feet from moving left and right, especially at the back of the shoe. Another major change, if you take a look at it, is the outsole. So apparently this should allow for you better traction, better stability, and better support. But I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it. But it definitely looks so much more different than your typical outsole of the Ultraboost. Still made by Continental though, so it has their logo over there. And the next big difference is the upper. So the upper is called Prime Blue because apparently a certain percentage of it, or a big percentage of it, is made from recycled plastics, which is something that they pioneered with the Parley line, and it's nice to know that they are incorporating it in their main line of sneakers. So at least it's no longer an experiment. They're trying to incorporate it into their actual product core, which is nice, diba? So for all of you environmental friendly advocates out there, you might want to take a look at this shoe as well. That's it. This is it. This is the Adidas Ultraboost 21, and I'm super excited to put it on feet and try it out. So at this point in the vlog, I actually need to walk on over to the steel cabinet over at Green Hills to drop off some stuff. So what I'll do is I'll put this on feet already. This will be my sneaker of the day, and make sure that you guys watch tomorrow or the day after, because I will be dropping like an on feet initial review of the Adidas Ultraboost 21, like initial impressions. And what I want to do, just so you have an idea, I want to put this up against the Adidas Ultraboost 5.0, which came out recently, that I also have. And I also want to put this up against the Nike React Infinity 2 Run. So this will be a fun series of vlogs that will happen over the next few days. So make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And again, let me know what you think of these three shoes in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from every single one of you. So you know, it's been a while since I've been super excited to put a sneaker on feet. So yeah, let's get to that now. And by the way, again, I'll bring you over to Green Hills. Tara, let's go. Okay, so just so you guys know, the two sneakers that we're bringing over to the steel cabinet, the Pharrell Williams Prime Knit Stan Smith or Superstar, it just really doesn't fit my wide flat feet. I actually wore it for a day and it was super uncomfortable. But if you have narrow feet, I think it will work really well for you. And then I'm also going to drop off the Drew Justin Bieber Crocs because I just can't rock it. I bought it really to unbox it and to share it on the vlog, but man, that is just so not me. Also, as a bit of a teaser, I am going to unbox this really soon. I picked this up a few days ago or yesterday. This is the pre-order pack for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 512GB. Yes, the pre-order pack. So this has all the freebies and I am super excited to unbox and share it with you guys. Not sponsored, bought this with my own money, and so you will get like 100% honest review and opinion on this particular shoe. Exciting, no? So tara! Here at the steel cabinet, pasensya na medyo pawis ako. So we have somebody who actually bought one of the 5,000 peso mystery boxes. So si Leandro. So bubuksan niya para sa atin. So tara.
Hi, I'm Leandro Reyes. I'm the founder of Collaboratory PH. I'm also on Instagram. All my stuff are on Instagram.
Binili niya yung 5,000 peso mystery box. Tada! Siyempre, tissue paper.
Alright, 2XL. So,
pwede mo palitan.
2XL pa,
pero pwede natin palitan ang size mo.
Pwede. Face masks.
Yun. Boom!
Right.
Bago pa. Di ba? So, sulit, di ba?
Everything. Thank you so much.
Yun. We still have two mystery boxes ng 5,000 pesos. So nakita nyo naman kung nilaman niya, may nag-unbox kanina. And then we still have the crazy 45,000 peso mystery box with the iPhone 12 mini. Yun. So yan, we have the Pharrell Superstar Prime Knit here. And we already put the Justin Bieber Crocs. So the other stuff here, you still have a bunch of the shoes. Still have a couple of Yeezys. Still a few sneakers in the 3K cabinet and the 2K cabinet and the LV bag for 25K. So guys, we're back in the car. Mission accomplished. We were able to put the shoes in the steel cabinet. I even met a guy who bought like a mystery box and he was able to unbox it for you, so you know what's inside the 5,000 peso mystery box. So if you want to visit the steel cabinet, it's over at Green Hills Theater Mall. Just take the staircase beside Starbucks. So Theater Mall, go up the staircase. The name of the place is Collector's Base, and near the cashier you'll find the corner there where we have a bunch of sneakers and merch from Project 721. So yeah, that's actually it. By the way, before we end, let me just remind you we are giving away a Koala smartwatch. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and then watch the video link down below so you can join the giveaway for the smartwatch. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, and I hope that you all have a fantastic, productive, meaningful week up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.